Lendlalela isinqumo salo Ijaji uPiet lithi vele belingakulindela ukuthi owayengumengameli uJacob Zuma agculiseke ngezinto esezenzekile selokhu laqala ukuqulwa leli cala.
An objective accused person in the position of Mr. Zuma reasonably could not be expected to be satisfied, having a judge who has expressed views and made findings regarding the alleged leaking of his medical information by the prosecutor, and whether those constitute an infringement of his constitutional rights.
UMehluleli uthi nakuba bekungesona nhlobo isinqumo esilula kodwa kudingeke ukuthi ashenxe kuleli cala.
I have come to the conclusion, and it was not an easy decision, that I have to recuse myself from the trial. It is what the sound administration of justice, the requirements of the Constitution, and my conscience dictate. The integrity of the judicial process must be protected against any reasonable taint of suspicion, so that the public and litigants may have the highest confidence in the integrity and fairness of our courts. The trial will therefore have to continue before another judge.
Ungoti wezomthetho uadvocate noSipho Khumalo utshele iSABC ukuthi kungani ijaji linqume ukushenxa kuleli cala.
Ithethe ukuthi after as recusal today is no longer a presiding officer in the case, and the case must start de novo, which is afresh before another judge.
Longoti wezomthetho uthi lokhu kusho ukuthi abantu basengaqhubeka nokuzethemba ezobulungiso zakulelizwe kuyabonakala futhi ukuthi isebenza ngobuqotho.
It means that there is still integrity in our justice and people can have faith in our justice system, considering the fact that Judge Koen was not forced or was not compelled or put pressure on to recuse himself. He saw it prudent that he must recuse himself because of the issues surrounding the case that he had already mentioned in this judgment.
uZuma sekuyiminyaka eqiqa ezinkantolo ngaleli cala lokuthengwa kwekhali njengoba ebhekene noxhaxhwa lamacala afaka phakathi inkohlakalo ngesikhathi eseyiphini likaMengameli ngo1999 yize yena ethi ubhecwa ngobende inyama engayidlanga. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC.